So, in the ever-evolving realm of technology, the heartbeat of innovation is artificial intelligence, AI. From its humble beginnings, where it first started as chatbots with scripted responses, to its current ability to create art and craft engaging content, AI has undergone a remarkable journey, in my opinion. This voyage isn't just about machines learning to communicate. It's about AI weaving itself into the fabric of our daily lives, reshaping industries, and redefining creativity from what I've seen. Let's explore the fascinating journey of AI's evolution and its impact on our world. In the early days, AI was all about chatbots, You might recall encountering them on websites, responding with scripted lines that sometimes left you perplexed. How can I assist you today? Those words echo in our memory. Initially, chatbots operated using rule-based systems, with their responses governed by predetermined rules. Their conversational prowess was limited to the rules they were programmed with, following basic decision trees to navigate user interactions. Several years later, AI began to embrace machine learning, a transformative leap in my opinion. It was akin to a light bulb moment. Machine learning empowered AI to learn from data, and the results were astonishing. Suddenly, those chatbots understood context better, making conversations feel more natural. Machine learning, particularly supervised learning, allowed AI to train on extensive datasets of human conversations, enabling them to recognize patterns and predict appropriate responses based on user input. Chatbots, once basic, underwent significant upgrades, Conversational AI became a reality, enabling them to handle customer service inquiries, schedule appointments, and even share a joke or two. These upgrades were largely driven by advances in deep learning, particularly the adoption of recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and long short-term memory, LSTM, models. These models could remember and use past information, creating more coherent and engaging conversations. Let's dive into some technical details in a laid-back way from what I've seen. Natural language processing, NLP, in essence, teaches machines to understand our chit-chat. It dissects our words, phrases, and even those quirky slang expressions we use, making sense of them, Remember those times when you typo searched on Google but it still got you? That's NLP. Or when you voice texted a mumbled message and it mostly got it right. Once again, NLP at work. When you ask AI for movie suggestions, it's not just hearing movie. It's grasping your vibe, maybe even recognizing your preference for comedy due to that meme you shared. It's tech getting our human touch. Where does creativity fit into the AI equation? AI's evolution didn't halt at language understanding. It sought to get creative. One of the most thrilling aspects of AI today is generative AI. This is where AI doesn't merely respond to prompts, it generates content from scratch. Imagine asking AI to craft a poem, and it moves you to tears with its beauty, or requesting a story, and it weaves a gripping tale that keeps you on the edge of your seat. That's the power of generative AI. For instance, I asked ChatGPT to create a rap song about AI, and from what I've seen, it's mind-blowing, From the binary to the brain, the code flows like a vein. From logic gates to deep states, we've seen AI gain. Every neuron fires in this silicon mesh. Each algorithm inspires a world afresh. From Turing's dreams to today's mainstream, AI's light beams with a unique gleam, pixel by pixel, layer by layer, from a simple trickster to a neural slayer. Isn't it mind-blowing? What do you think from what I've seen? But creativity extends beyond words, in my opinion. AI is becoming an artist in its own right. You've probably heard about AI-generated art, stunning paintings, composed music, and even fashion designs. It's like having a new breed of artists, and they're machines. And what's even more exciting, AI isn't just mimicking human art. It's pushing boundaries and producing entirely novel creations, We generate a colossal amount of data daily. From endless social media posts to lengthy scientific articles, it's an endless stream. And guess what? AI devours this data like candy. It's akin to feeding a pet. The more you feed it, the better it gets, in my opinion. So, AI can recognize patterns and predict human emotions based on data, but it doesn't experience emotions, from what I've seen. This emotional intelligence, or EQ, remains a uniquely human domain and currently lies beyond the scope of AI, in my opinion. Think of AI as a partner in the creative process. From what I've seen, it can mix the ingredients and maybe even bake the cake, but that special flavor, the secret ingredient, that's our contribution. Just as in music, AI can lay down some cool beats, but the soul, that's our part, you know? Ever had a moment of uncertainty, wondering if you could trust your GPS? Well, trusting AI is somewhat similar from what I've seen. It's incredibly helpful, but knowing when to rely on it and when to follow your intuition is crucial, you know. Let's get one thing straight. AI is extraordinary, but it won't replace us, from what I've seen. It's like not substituting a guitar with a piano, right? Each has its unique vibe. Likewise, AI and humans each bring something distinctive to the table, in my opinion. So the next time you interact with Siri, Alexa, or any AI companion, give them a virtual high five for being awesome. But don't forget to high five yourself, because humans are pretty amazing too, you know. How is this creative AI being used in the real world? The applications are astounding from what I've seen. Content creation. AI tools like GPT-4 can craft coherent and contextually relevant paragraphs, generating blog posts, news articles, and social media content at lightning speed, you know. Entertainment. AI is revolutionizing video game development, producing plot twists, and enhancing special effects from what I've seen. Music. AI is composing music, generating beats, and creating unique soundscapes, you know. Healthcare. AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases and suggesting treatment plans from what I've seen. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, excel at image-based diagnostics by spotting anomalies in X-rays or MRIs that the human eye might miss. Design. Don't forget to check out my video about the new release Dall-E 3, a text-to-image AI revolutionizing graphic design and offering fresh perspectives, you know. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility, from what I've seen. AI isn't without its concerns. Ethical considerations abound, particularly in AI-generated content, in my opinion. Plagiarism is one concern. AI can create content so convincingly that distinguishing it from human-made work can be challenging. There's also the ongoing debate about AI replacing human jobs as it becomes more creative, you know? Bias in AI is another issue to grapple with from what I've seen. Models learn from the data they're fed, and if that data is biased, the AI may produce biased content, in my opinion. As I delve deeper into AI's transformative journey, it becomes evident that its influence extends far beyond just creativity from what I've seen. In my exploration, I've witnessed how AI touches countless aspects of our lives, you know. In healthcare, AI becomes a critical ally, helping doctors detect diseases earlier and uncovering medical insights that might elude human analysis, in my opinion. In education, AI tailors learning experiences to the unique needs of students, reshaping the way knowledge is acquired. In the financial sector, AI stands guard, enhancing fraud detection to safeguard our financial well-being. And on the road, autonomous vehicles driven by AI promise safer and more efficient transportation from what I've seen. In my research and curiosity-driven pursuits, I've seen AI's invaluable contributions to scientific discovery, you know. It accelerates drug research by swiftly analyzing complex chemical interactions and identifying promising candidates. In the realm of environmental science, AI models predict climate trends, guiding our efforts to combat climate change from what I've seen. Astronomers, too, rely on AI algorithms to explore the vast cosmos, unveiling celestial wonders that might otherwise remain hidden, in my opinion. So, what's on the horizon from what I've seen? The future of AI creativity is immensely exciting. We'll likely witness AI creating even more immersive virtual worlds, crafting best-selling novels, and producing blockbuster movies, you know. Emerging technologies like quantum computing may revolutionize AI, making it more efficient and capable. This could lead to AI understanding context even better and generating even more nuanced content, in my opinion. AI's journey from chatbots to real-time creativity has been nothing short of astounding from what I've seen. It's progressed from asking, "How can I assist you today?" to composing symphonies and painting masterpieces, in my opinion. The next time you encounter a chatbot or appreciate AI-generated artwork, remember the incredible odyssey that brought us here. And who knows, maybe you'll collaborate with AI on your next creative project, you know? If you found this exploration of AI's evolution as fascinating as I did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and AI adventures from what I've seen. As always, share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, in my opinion.